cloud explorers, welcome aboard our exciting journey into the vast universe of AWS Cloud Services brought to you by DevOps Easy Learning Training Institute. We are transforming tech enthusiasts into skilled DevOps engineers. My name is Gabriel Chairman, and I will be your navigator through the intricate cosmos of cloud computing as we know what it is. Uh, this series is hosted on our YouTube channel, DevOps Easy Learning, and it's not just about passing exams. So it's about gaining real-world skills, getting comfortable in the AWS console, and preparing you to set up sophisticated cloud infrastructure so you can manage and monitor. As you can see, we have so many top cloud providers out there. The ones that you see on the screen are like the top of the tops, the best. Oracle, AWS, Azure, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud. If you want to take a look at these cloud providers, three stands out, and those three are the AWS, the Google Cloud, and Azure. Now, AWS is like the powerhouse in that class, leading the cloud revolution with its robust, scalable, and incredible diverse set of cloud services. Next to AWS is Google Cloud, and they are known for innovation, strength in data analytics, and machine learning. Last but not the least is the favorite, which is Azure, Microsoft Azure. And they are the favorite for enterprise integration and extensive support for various programming languages and frameworks. But what about the types of clouds that we've got? So as you can see on your screen, we have the public cloud, the private, hybrid, and the community cloud. The public cloud is open to everyone, while the private is exclusive and secure for single organizations. Hybrid is a mixture of both blend of the public cloud and the private cloud, and it's for offering flexibility and scalability, while the community cloud is one that is used for shared organizations with common goals. Now we know that there is not just a one size fits all, and the cloud is tailored to meet diverse needs through models like the IaaS, the PaaS, SaaS, and the UCaaS. We are going to dive deep into each of these models and see how important that each one of these ones play in building up an infrastructure for a company. So as we embark on this cloud journey, we are going to zero in on the powerhouse of cloud computing, which is the AWS Amazon Web Services. That's right, from our initial liftoff all the way to expert maneuvers in the cloud space, we will be diving deep into the incredible array of services AWS offers. Imagine mastering the art of virtual service with EC2 or storing data with limitless capacity in your S3 bucket. Now picture yourself managing a database effortlessly with RDS, with all its other microservices like Postgres, MySQL, or Aurora, all automating these tasks with the magic of a Lambda function. And that is just the beginning. There are just so many other services out there that AWS keeps growing and bringing new depending on what the clients are asking for. We are going to explore each of these services and more, uncovering how they can revolutionize the way you work in the cloud. Whether you are deploying applications, analyzing big data, or enhancing security, AWS has the tools that you need to build that robust infrastructure. We are going to be doing a lot of live demo online. So if you love to see technology in action, we will have these live demos, real world applications, interaction sessions where you can actually see AWS services in action. From simple storage solutions with Glacier to networking with VPC, we are going to be covering all the bases. So for those of you who want to join us live on this training, in the description below, you're going to see a link for you to register on our programs, or you can have a way to contact us and let us know how you would like to come on board, and so you can join us in our live training. But nevertheless, we're going to have some of these trainings, these live demos uploaded to our YouTube channel. So you need to like, subscribe, and follow us so that you don't miss anything. So this series is going to be hosted, like I said, on our DevOps Easy Learning channel. And we are going to try to walk you through the whole, intricate navigations of the AWS console. As you see right there, we're going to show you how you can actually set up a free tier account and set up a billing alert as well as a budget to manage how your expenses are being recorded. So that way, you know when you're going over the free tier benefits, so you can cut yourself short and not break the bank in learning this program. We're going to guide you through all and steer you off those services that might cost you a pretty penny. Now, so if you're excited as I am, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you get notified every time we post a new video out there, and you know that you are not missing any of our series, because we're going to be working from the beginning, from the creating of an account to building a three-tier infrastructure and harnessing as many AWS services as we can into that infrastructure to see how they all integrate and work together. So it's time for you to harness the power of cloud and transform the way we think about digital infrastructure. So let's not just sit on our horse and say, oh, we're going to learn it. You're on the right place, you're in the right channel. So let's get cloud powered with AWS. And I want to thank you all for joining me as we embark on this cloud adventure. I want to welcome you all to the Cloud Club, where learning meets doing, and where you, my friend, are on your way to becoming a cloud pioneer with the DevOps Easy Learning Training Institute. I'll see you guys on the live session. Thank you.